Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review this lash. I believe it's called Bouji lash, and I'm actually wearing them right now. They're magnetic lashes, but they're different than your typical magnetic lash. This one does not require any like magnetic eyeliner or eyelash glue or anything like that. This one works with just pure magnets. So if you're interested on that, I will give you guys my review. I'll let you guys know how to do it, how I applied it on myself. It's kind of tricky at first, but after a while you get the hang of it, I promise. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna do a little tutorial on this. So I believe it's pronounced Bouji lash, and here it is. I'm so excited to show you guys how to apply it. This is just such an easy and convenient way to put on lashes. I know a lot of people struggle with putting on lashes and they just can't get the hang of it. And I totally get it. It can be a really hard, tricky thing to do. So this cuts your time in half. You don't need any glue. There's not going to be any residue on your lashes or anything like that. This is so easy and so simple. So this is what the little package comes with. And I love this little case. I think it's super cute. Let me show you guys what it looks like. And it has a really cute mirror. You can easily take it with you. And it does come with these lashes right here. And it also comes with some in the bottom. So the way that these lashes work, they have a little magnetic strip. So 2 pairs of these lashes are going on one eye, and then another 2 pair are going on the other eye. If you see this applicator, you are not going to be holding it like this. You do not do this. You are going to hold it the other way, like this. And when you apply it on your eye, you're applying it like this, downward versus upward, like this. And when you open it up, you're going to put one of the lash strips on top and then one on the bottoms. Like I said, some of them have the magnet facing up, some of them have the magnet facing on the bottom. And I'm going to show you guys right now how to put it on this tool. Here is one of the lash strips. And if you look closely, it has the magnets on top. So since this one has the magnets on top, this is going to go on the bottom. So you can see it's like shaped like this, kind of like a U. So you're going to shape it that way. And you're going to put it on. I'll show you guys what it looks like. There you go. And you guys can see it. There's the lashes right there. For this one, it has the magnets facing on the bottom. So I'm gonna put this on here. And there's also very easy to apply on here, by the way, guys. Really easy. So there we go. It's applied on here. Make sure it's nice. There you go. And then you can see on my tool right here, I have lashes up here and lashes down here. Again, the lashes on the bottom, the magnets are facing up. The lashes on the top, the magnets are facing down. So then the top magnet and the bottom magnet, when I close them, they're going to clip together. So I know it was probably kind of difficult when I first explained it, but I feel like once you have a visual or once you're actually doing it yourself, it makes a lot more sense. So there we go. I have both of my lashes like that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get myself a mirror. I mean, luckily this cute tool has a mirror on it, and it does take some practice, you guys, so you just have to keep practicing, but you'll get it, and it's just very easy once you get the hang of it. Again, the tool will be downward versus up, and then you just kind of put it close to your eye. It's kind of like intimidating at first, but you get the hang of it. There we go. And the lashes are applied. Super easy. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the other pair. Definitely see the difference, and look how easy it is. So easy, and it feels very secured also, and I love it. So I did the same thing with the other pair of lashes, and that's, at first when I saw this I was kind of confused why there was like 2 pairs, but then it makes sense. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. Like I said, it's kind of intimidating at first. Then once you get the hang of it, it's very easy. And then you can like fix them how you want to. You kind of play with them around a bit. It doesn't matter. I mean, either way they're secured, so nothing's gonna happen to them. I just like to feel around them. Like, I'm just amazed at how quick and easy it is. It's very easy once you get the hang of it. And that's pretty much it for this video, so please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!